Hello everyone, in the video tutorial we are going to create the simple object like this. The first thing we need to do, we have to create the base, and the base it was created by the cycle. The inner cycle is 24mm radius and the outside is 36mm radius. And then we have to extrude it to make the thickness. For the thickness is 60mm. Click cycle and set up the center point of the cycle on the origin point. Define the diameter to 72mm. The another one is 48mm. Click line. Click to set up the start point of the line on the circumference of the cycle. Double click to finish it. And you have to make sure the line is a horizontal line. Click trim. Trim the unnecessary segments. And then we have to extrude to make the thickness. We have to create another part of the base. We have to create this part and this part. We create this part first and then mirror it to other side. And it was created by the cycle. The outside cycle is 30mm radius and the inner cycle is 24 diameter. For the distance from the middle of the base to the center point of the cycle is 60. Because you see here the distance from this point to this point is 120 and we have to divide in half is 16mm. The thickness is 12mm. Click view and click appear and turn on this button to see more clearly about the edge of the base. Click sketch and we are going to create a construction line. Click to set up the start point of the origin and move out. Double click to finish it. Define the distance of the line to 16mm. Click it and apply lock constraint and make construction line. And you have to make sure the line you are drawing is a horizontal line. Click cycle, set up the start point of the cycle on the end point of the line. Define the diameter to 60. Create another one is 24mm. Click line and create the start point of the line on this point of the edge. Double click on the circumference of the cycle. Select line, cycle and apply tension constraint. Click line and click more, click mirror, select the construction line, click done, click trim and trim the unnecessary segment. Select the sketch that we just created. Extrude to make the thickness 12 mm. Select body O2, click more, click mirror, select Y axis, click done. Click this button to show body O1. Now the base is created, but it's still a separated object, so we have to combine it to a single object. Select all the body in the layer. Click union. Click done. And then we have to create another part of the object. We have to create the top part. It looks like the cylinder. It was created by the cycle. The inner cycle to make the hole is 24 mm diameter, and the outside is 20 mm radius, and the distance from the bottom of the bed to the center point of the cycle or the cylinder is 18 mm. The thickness of the cylinder is 34 mm. After create the top part, it looks like the cylinder, and then we have to create the wall thickness. It had a thickness 12 mm. So I'm going to use this surface of the bed to use the sketching plan by placing the mouse on this surface and tap the spacebar to turn on the perspective view. Click to set up the start point of the line on the origin point. Move up, double click to finish it. Define the dimension to 18 mm. Click select the line and apply lock constraint and make contraction. Click cycle. Click to set up the start point of the cycle on the end point of the line. Define the diameter to 40 mm, and the another one is 24 mm diameter. Click line, set up the start point of the line on this point of the base. Move up and double click to the circumference of the cycle. Select the line and the cycle. Click tangent. Select the line. Click mirror and click construction line. Click done. Select the sketch, extrude it to 34 mm. And the wall thickness, we have to make the thickness 12 mm. Select all the body in the layer to combine it or make it to a single object. Click union. Click done. And we have to create another part. It is a rib. For the rib, it was created in the middle of the bed and connect with the wall and the cylinder. The thickness of the rib is 12 mm. So first we have to create the plan to create the sketch. Click add. Click construction plan. Place the mouse on this surface of the base and click to select it. Click next. Click the arrow and drag up. Define the distance to 30 mm. Click done. Place the mouse on the plan and tap the spacebar to turn on the perspective view. Click view and click appearance. Turn on this button. Click rectangle. set up the origin point, move out, define the dimension to 12 millimeter. Click select the top segment of the rectangle and drag the arrow up to snap with this segment of the base. And the another one on the bottom. Click the arrow and drag to snap with this edge of the base. Click Insert Sketching. Click Default View. After creating the sketch, we have to project it to the base and the another one on the outside of the cylinder. Select Sketch. Click More. Click Project. Select the outside surface of the base. Click Done. And select the sketch. Click More. Click Project. Select the outside surface of the cylinder. Click Done. After that, we are going to use the loft to create the rib. Click Tool. Click Loft. Select the sketch on the bottom and the other one on the outside surface of the cylinder. Click Next. Now the rib is created, but it's still a separated object. We have to combine it or make it to a single object. Select the body in the layer. Click Union. Click Done. And I will try it again because now it is not working. Click Cancel. Click Body O3, Hole 6. Click Body O2. Click Union. Click Done. Okay. And then I will hide some sketches and plan. Go to View, click Appearance, click to turn off this button. Now the body is nearly finished, but before finish we have to apply the material. Click Visualization, select the material that you would like to apply. For me, I'm going to use aluminum by clicking and drag and then release it on the object. Click this arrow to go back to default view. The object is finished. Thank you for watching.